Some gardeners seem to have a magic touch, harvesting baskets of thick, heavy peppers, while the rest of us are left wondering why our plants stopped growing. If that sounds familiar, you don't need expensive fertilizer. If your pepper plants are dropping their flowers or the bottom leaves are turning pale yellow, the solution is actually just 1 tablespoon of something you probably already have sitting in your bathroom cabinet. Here is what is actually happening. Peppers are heavy feeders. They pull massive amounts of nutrients out of the soil to build those thick stems and large fruits. When the soil runs out of one specific mineral, the plant goes into survival mode. It pulls energy from its older leaves, making them turn pale, and it drops its flowers because it simply doesn't have the strength to grow them. It isn't starving for standard plant food, it's starving for magnesium. The fix is incredibly simple. Go to your cabinet and grab plain, unscented Epsom salt. Don't worry, it isn't actually table salt. It is pure magnesium sulfate. Take exactly 1 tablespoon and dissolve it fully into 1 gallon of lukewarm water. That is your magic ratio. Water this mixture directly into the soil around the base of your pepper plants once every 2 weeks. Do this in the early morning so the roots can drink it up before the midday heat. Why does this work so well? Magnesium is the central building block of chlorophyll, the green pigment that lets plants turn sunlight into energy. Within just a few days of adding that single tablespoon, you will see those pale leaves turn a rich, deep green again. The plant will suddenly have the energy it needs to stop dropping flowers and start growing heavy, healthy peppers. Give this a try this week. If this quick trick helped you, hit subscribe. We have lots more simple, science-backed garden fixes coming your way.